Welcome to Facing Combatives Integrated.
Okay, so the third class lever, like the other two, every lever or leverage is comprised of the four basic elements, okay? So now I'm going to move the second class lever over here, as well as the first class lever just below it. I'm going to have the third class lever on my right side, so that you can see relative to each other the difference in the position of the fulcrum, the effort, and the load. And you'll see how they flip from one to the other. But what you want to do is look at it relative to the first class lever, okay? Because that's important, that's the base. The other ones are ultimately, if you want to call it, a variation of, or the rearrangement concept, as Mr. Parker liked to use with the numbers. We have the same thing with the elements of levers and leverage. So the third class lever has the fulcrum at one end, which is the same as the second class lever. The difference now is that the effort is in the middle and we're lifting something out on the end. Now, the idea behind levers and leverage is to gain a mechanical advantage over something, or to add mechanical advantage to an action or effort that we're making. That being said, the third class lever is kind of an oxymoron to that idea, because we're creating this longer reach and motion. However, when we look at the application, the true application of it, and particularly in joint locks and manipulations, we'll see how it truly is and does give us an advantage in mechanical application of locks, chokes, strangulation, so on and so forth. So third class lever can be found, again, crossing talon. We have the grasp of death. We can find that in snapping twig. There are many different Kempo techniques all through the system. I'm using lower level ones to cover everybody's breadth of knowledge and understanding of the Kempo system, so that if it's a beginner looking at this video, or if it's an advanced person, they can kind of get an idea of where it is and what the motion is from that technique, and kind of carry it or transcribe it into other techniques going forward.